Well, coffee time it is. And we are at Park Street right now, absolutely live on the Facebook page of 91.9 Friends FM, Frequencies Friends. And of course, frequencies always matches over a cup of coffee, because Kolkata is a coffee lover's delight. And craft coffee is another feather to the crown. People who love coffee, people who love to taste different types of coffee, this is exactly the place to be at Park Street right here. Well, when you walk down Park Street or you're returning from college or going to work, just drop by for a cup of coffee and I'm sure in this weather you will feel absolutely chilled out with a cup of coffee. Let's go inside and have a look what craft coffee is offering to the people of Kolkata. Well, right now I'm in Craft Coffee. It's a beautiful, cozy place and very, very warm. Just like 91.9 Fenderson with all the warmth and closeness across the city of joy. And sharing the warmth over a cup of coffee is always a delight. I will just take you through the beautiful coffee shop, which is very, very cozy, very, very comforting, and it's absolutely a pleasure for everybody to drop by for a cup of coffee and chat. Like many things can actually happen over coffee. So you can have a look, a beautiful, the cafe corner out here with the different kinds of food, the menu cards, the craft coffee drinks. In a while after we'll have a word with someone who's going to describe the kind of coffees they're offering to people and the munchies along with the coffee, so you can just drop by anytime, have a munch and enjoy. Coffee is something, it's always a delight to the people of Kolkata. And if I can take you the zoom through and just look at the decor, it has an old world charm. The coffee has always been an integral part of Kolkata with the beautiful red lampshades and the decor, the white, the green, a little bit of green out there. And one thing not to forget, we are absolutely very, very careful. The hand sanitizers, mask, everything is prim and proper. So while you get in, you can absolutely be confident about the fact that all the safety hygiene protocols are absolutely mentioned here. So you can just go about, come to Craft Coffee and have a cup of coffee and many things can happen. Well, I'll just zoom through where a lot of people, they're busy, engaging with each other, and lots of people are here who have just dropped by for a cup of coffee and a lovely decor. And what more can you really ask for in Park Street? Because 91.9 Friends of FM, Park Street, lots of memories and beautiful moments to go. And Craft Coffee is definitely offering something beautiful to the people of Kolkata. And I'll go over to Mr. Abhinav Sinha. Hi, Abhinav.
Hi, sir.
It's such a pleasure to have you on 91.9 Friends of FM. We are absolutely live on our Facebook page, and millions of people are watching us right now. So tell us something about your journey. Tell us something about Craft Coffee.
So I'm a partner in Roastery Coffee House, and during the pandemic, it gave us ample time to think on that how can we make specialty coffee more accessible and more affordable. And that's how the brand took birth. That's how the concept of craft coffee. So the entire concept is built upon, if I talk about the pillars of craft coffee, then one is definitely specialty coffee. It is based on fusion coffee concept, with the other pillar being that how we can make it more millennial in mind, the target catchment in mind. And the pricing has been kept in such a way that it's a very sharp pricing. So we want a lot of people to get exposed to the specialty coffee culture. And the concept is again built on where it's more on coffee on the go. So we will be looking at opening craft coffee outlets in high streets, in residential areas, typically in a range of around 300 to 500 square feet, where you come, you have a cozy cafe like this. There's a coffee and food pairing which works with that. The entire thing is in disposable, so as you can see, you have bottles where you can carry your coffee.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, this is something which you definitely know. There are disposable bottles where you can just carry your coffee, have a sip, and you can just dispose it off. The coffee cans out there are totally disposable. Everybody out there at the counter, they're wearing masks, they're maintaining the hygiene safety protocols. In a given pandemic, we are absolutely careful about each and every single move of us, And definitely, when we are having coffee, there's a much lot to offer, which Craft Coffee is offering to us. So, Abhinav, can you just take us through the menu? There's a vast menu and a beautiful menu, and we were just talking that it will be changing from season to season as per the need of the season, right?
So the menu has, as I told you, that the target catchment is millennial centric. So the menu has been kept very dynamic. That's why you see this kind of a menu setup. So while you have the typical manual brewing or the hot blacks, which are espresso, americano, macchiatos, you also have a lot of fusion coffee. So you have a cold brew with honey. You have a lot of cascara-based coffee. You have a lot of tonic water. So the tonic water again goes very well with coffee. So you have cranberry lime coffee tonic. We are coming up with cascara tonic. And the thing is that the menu is very dynamic. So maybe next month when you walk into a ground coffee outlet, you might find something where you have a grape flavored cold brew. So anything which is citrus can be infused with coffee. The pairing goes very well. So you will find a lot of coffee pairings where you will be finding coffee infused with tonic water. You will be finding coffee infused with different kind of fruit flavors. We are also trying something like a cold brew Shangria. We are also working on a lot of coffee cocktails. So the cold brew coffee goes very well with a vodka or a dark rum. Cascara blends very well with gin. So we are
And there is
working on
something which is tender coconut, cold brew with honey,
Yeah.
with cold brew with immersion drip. I mean, the list is endless where you can just come down and you can just have a coffee of your choice, and so much to offer. And especially in the sultry heat, when you just walk in, you can have your own choice of coffee, and it will absolutely soothe your lungs, calm your senses, and you can enjoy every bit of it. And I just take you through the pairings. I mean, different kind of munchies also you have. You can pair up with the coffee, just have a bite, and you can. It's a coffee on the go. You just move around, have a cup of coffee, and just enjoy. This is exactly the place to be. Craft Coffee, and we'll just go through where a lot of people are out here. They're sipping coffees, and let's just get at them. Talk about Craft Coffee, and let's see what they have to say. Hi. Yeah, we are absolutely live on the Facebook page 91 Friends of Them. So, is it the first time you're in Craft Coffee?
Yes.
So, what is your reaction about the place? Are you loving it?
Yeah, we love the cozy ambiance and of course the coffee is great.
Lovely. So, your name?
And Tanu.
Nanvi. Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
So, tell us something about the Craft Coffee. How the
So we
experience
have
been
come
so?
here for the second time.
Second
And,
time, okay.
Yes, and I really love the new concept of tender coconut brewed coffee. One coffee we get in roastery and the second I got it here. So, and our daughters come to class over here. So
Okay.
we are now trying to make this a regular joy. Drop them come here.
It's just a kind of a drop by and just
Yes.
sit together,
But
chat
it's-
together.
Yes, it's quite nice because the pricing is really good and at the same time the coffee is
Lovely. And who do you name?
vanilla.
Vinita. Vinita, tell us something about how do you feel being in Craft Coffee? It's a very cozy joint where,
Basically, I forced them to come here
okay, you posted it on there. Okay.
because I like the Kaskara out here. So I'm like, fine, chalna, let's go there. We'll have coffee there.
And they loved it. I mean, so your recommendation was absolutely perfect. Because you dragged them out here and it has been the regular joint for them.
She's the one who discovers new places. She's the one who will let's go there. And
Lovely.
I'm like,
A foodie who just walks all over Kolkata and tries to experience new places together. Lovely. I mean, that's how it happens, because friendship, the word friends and coffee, they all go together hand in hand with each other. And friendship and coffee, they just go in hand in hand together and making moments even more special. So Craft Coffee is a place where you can just drop by, have a cup of coffee of your choice, and of course a lovely ambience with beautiful coffee, lovely food, lovely munchies, and of course 91 and Friends of Them. We are absolutely live at Craft Coffee, and we are going to have a sip of coffee and of course feel what it actually believes in and what it actually feels, feeling very nostalgic right here at Park Street with 91 and Friends of Them and Craft Coffee, making beautiful moments. That's all from here. See you. Thank you very much.